Hello children, welcome back once again. In today's class, let us continue the lesson VVS Lakshman, very very special. It is an interview. Yesterday we have started VVS Lakshman, who announced his retirement from cricket field in Hyderabad. At that time, the sports are conducted exclusive interview with him about his announcement, right? And how the questions will be asked and how the question will be answered by the celebrity, you have to learn in the particular text as it is an interview. Students, as I told you, this is a major discourse which gives you 10 marks in examination. Okay, you will be given some celebrity or situation will be created and will be asked to write an imaginary interview, okay, based on the given matter. Then you have to write around 10 to 12 exchanges interview, means 10 to 12 questions you have to ask and get the answer from the celebrity, right? Sports are asked to VVS Lakshman. When you look back, what were the reasons for India becoming number one side? When you look back, means when you think over the performance of Indian cricket team, what do you think the reason for Indian becoming number one? VVS Chaptadu, yes, it is important to remember that it was not a sudden transformation which had come in 1 year. Means whatever number one we stood in the world, that position didn't come within 1 year. It took years together to reach that goal, position, that level. It all started in early 2000 when Sourav Ganguly became the captain. Means the performance is improved by Indian team since 2000 when Sourav Ganguly became the captain of the Indian team. I feel lucky to have played under Sourav, my first captain Sachin and MS Dhoni. They all led by example. They all led by example. Means actually they have their own features. They have their own ideologies. And they led the team with their examples. Everyone was a true performer and all of them had traits of leadership. Yes, everyone. Maybe Sourav Ganguly, maybe MS Dhoni, or maybe Sachin Tendulkar. These all are leaders of their own ideologies. They led the Indian team very well, and that's why this is a struggle of many years together. It doesn't transfer within 1 year. SS means a sports star. Then how different was Sourav Ganguly as a captain? You said you have worked under, you have played under the captainship of Sachin Tendulkar and Dhoni. Then let me know how Sourav Ganguly's captainship is different from others. I must say that the combination of Sourav and coach John Wright was influenced in changing the mindset of Indian cricket itself. Yes, actually see, he said that, I must say that the combination of Sourav and coach John Wright. Coach was John Wright and there was a coordination between Sourav Ganguly, the captain of India, and coach John Wright of captain of India, means team of India, coach of India. Means their mindset was a similar one. For it was then that we started doing well consistently, especially abroad. And we had some amazingly talented individuals with the hunger of success, who played with great pride, worked really hard and showed great commitment levels. There was a combination between Sourav Ganguly, the captain, and the coach Wright. That's why even every player has a passion of success, hunger of success, and they played with great pride and worked very hard. With this, through hard work, we could get world number one. So what has been your funniest incident on the field? What has been your funniest incident on the field? Well, he smiled and said, yes, when Saurav and I collided while taking a single in an oval ODI one day. Right. It is still amusing and embarrassing when I look back as to how it could have happened. Means while we were catching ball, Saurav Ganguly and myself we hit each other. He came in that way, I came in this direction, looking at the ball, and we both dashed each other. It was embarrassing and the funniest incident. Then what is the most disappointing moment for you? Disappointing moment? There was nothing like that. But I feel terribly disgusted whenever I dropped the catch. I would feel sorry for the bowler who puts in such a great effort and the chance is flawed. That hurt me most. And see, when he dropped the catch, he failed a lot, he disappointed a lot, because whatever the efforts were put by the bowler to get the wicket, he dropped the catch to the floor. That made him the disappointing moment, he said. Then what are your hobbies? I love to spend time with the members of my family. It gives so much peace. I do love reading biographies of successful individuals. I do love reading biographies of successful individuals, for they help us know how they handle different situations or aspects in life in the sport. And generally we help these ideologies, these great persons help us to see how successfully they handle the aspects in the sport. You are a complete family man now. Outside you are the celebrity, and at home a normal caring father. Then the ... means question is not asked. Situation created and just a ... means question is not asked, and his answer, he understood the question and gave the answer. I am lucky to have such a wonderful, well-knit family with a wonderful wife. A wonderful wife means a wife who understands him in all aspects. And it is a great feeling to see the kids grow so fast. It is a real joy to be with them. Then who are the cricketers whom you admire? Who is your favorite cricketer? In my early days, there was Azharuddin. I admire him very much. Well, Sachin is such a role model in every aspect. Kapil was a great inspiration too. Three inspirators are there: Azharuddin, Sachin Tendulkar and Kapil Dev. Now what is your favorite cuisine? Cuisine means favorite dish. Cuisine. C-U-I-S-I-N-E. C-U-I-S-I-N-E. Cuisine means favorite dish. Yes, I am a vegetarian and I love to taste all sorts of dishes. And Thai cuisines are my favorite. Then what kind of music do you normally listen to, and who are your favorite singers? Yeah, India has been very fortunate to have seen so many great musicians and singers. And I love listening the Kishore Kumar and our S.P. Balasubramaniam, with whom I fortunately enjoy a special personal relationship. And Lakshman shows the correlations with Balasubramaniam to say fortunate and unfortunate that he is not among us now at present. I think all of you know, due to the corona effect and attack, he expired recently in Hyderabad. And here Vivek likes that he likes Kishore Kumar's songs and as well as Balasubramaniam songs very much. Then which program do you love to watch? Generally, I don't miss any big sporting events, and Wimbledon is one such that I love to watch without fail. Okay, he said I don't miss any big sporting events, and Wimbledon I never miss it without fail. Okay, I love to watch without fail, and with the family members I do enjoy watching the singing and dancing competition programs, and I am amazed at the talent actually. Then who was your childhood hero? childhood and current hero, it's my dad, my father. I owe everything to him. I owe everything means it goes complete credit of my life, my number one cricket player goes to my parents, he said, and here my father is my real hero. Then what is that you miss by being a cricketer celebrity? What is that you miss by being a cricketing celebrity? When you're cricketing celebrity, what did you miss? I never thought of myself a big cricketer. చూడండి స్టూడెంట్స్, గొప్ప వాళ్ళు నేను గొప్పని ఎప్పుడు చెప్పారు, ఓకేనా? He said, though he is a celebrity, he said, I never thought I myself as a big creator. It is always nice to be with my family. My wife has all the qualities I look for. All the qualities I look for means my missus, my wife, my spouse, my sweetheart has all qualities. She is a good cook, good wife, good mother, good daughter-in-law, good daughter, all qualities she has. I have 2 wonderful kids and I am blessed to have such a family. Yes. Last question. Then have you given thought to post-retirement plans? Okay, generally రిటైర్ అయిన తర్వాత మనకు ప్లానింగ్ ఉంటుంది. Then have you give thought means did you think to post-retirement plans? And post-retirement planning ఉందా మీకు? Well, I have a dream to set up a school and an academy. I have dream to set up a school and an academy. I am confident of realizing this big dream. And he said, definitely. And what am I going to do? I will be successful in my life, he said. And this is an interview, okay, with VVS Lakshman, the cricket sports person and sports star. Okay students, as I told you, while writing interview you have to take around 10 to 12 exchanges, asking question, getting answers, create situation. There should be no repetition of the questions to make your interview the best one. I hope you understood. And this is the ending of the today's period. Let us see in the next period. Till that, have a nice day.